Hello, this is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone is doing okay. This is Calculus Lesson 13, and we're going to continue solving derivatives problems using chain rule. Okay, just to refresh your memory, what is a chain rule? Let's say you have function of x, right? And then there is another function of g of x. Okay, so what we can do is, if we want to use chain rule, we can substitute this right here as x. All right, so then we can say f of g of x. All right, this is basically your function of x. All right, now if you want to take f prime or derivatives, so you do f x prime. What you do is that you tackle it very carefully. You take the derivative of the whole thing. So it would be f prime g of x, and then whatever is left inside. So what's left inside? Inside is g of x. So then you take derivative of g of x. So that, my friends, is the chain rule. Okay, pretty straightforward, not that difficult at all. So let's look at an example. Let's say you have g of x is equal to under root of x squared minus 7x. Can you take derivative of this? Okay, I want g prime of x. So calculus lovers, what would you do? First thing I would do is I would try to simplify it. I can write x squared minus 7x as 1/2. Okay, so main thing is that, you know, when you see a problem, derivative problem, and you see the under root sign, see if you can get rid of it. So I think I did. What I do is that I can write this as the whole thing power of 1/2. Okay, so now what we have is, we basically have a derivative of this thing. What you have to do is, this is like, you're going to apply the chain rule. You're going to take the derivative of the whole thing and then what's inside. Okay, so then I can move forward and I can say f prime of x is equal to 1/2. Okay, bring this 1/2 x squared minus 7x, 1/2 minus 1. Remember that. So that's going to be raised to the power of minus 1/2 times, you got to take the derivative of the inside now. All right. So don't forget that you have to take the derivative now of this. So then times 2x minus 7. All right, makes sense? So what we can do is, we can further simplify this. What we can do is, we can say 1/2 and then bring this into denominator. So this sign right here will become plus. This right here. So we have 2x minus 7. This right here stays in numerator, over x squared minus 7x 1/2. Simply brought that into denominator. Now what we can do is,